Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best synthetic motor oil. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5. Lucas Oil 101-110. Semi-synthetic 2-cycle oil is a high-performance lubricant meticulously engineered for a wide range of power sports and outdoor equipment. This advanced semi-synthetic formula is specifically designed to provide superior protection for two-stroke engines, effectively reducing smoke and minimizing carbon deposits on critical internal components. It excels in high-stress environments, ensuring smooth engine operation and extended longevity even under heavy pressure. Ideal for vehicles such as snowmobiles, this oil offers excellent mixability and maintains consistent lubrication to prevent wear and scuffing. Produced in the United States, this 6-pack of 1-quart containers ensures a steady supply for regular maintenance across various applications. By balancing high-quality synthetic base stocks with specialized additives, this lubricant delivers the reliability and clean burning performance required for peak engine efficiency. It is a dependable solution for enthusiasts seeking to preserve their engine's power and durability through every season. Number 4. Liqui Moly Leichtlauf High-Tech 5W40 is a premium synthesis technology motor oil designed to provide superior protection and efficiency for both gasoline and diesel engines. This formula ensures rapid oil delivery at low temperatures, offering high lubrication reliability regardless of the operating environment. Its advanced composition shields internal components against wear, significantly extending the service life of your engine while maintaining outstanding cleanliness. Tested for peak performance with turbochargers and catalytic converters, this oil is engineered to reduce pollutant emissions and improve fuel economy. It provides optimum oil pressure across all engine speeds, supported by high shear and aging stability for long-term consistency. Carrying prestigious manufacturer approvals from brands like BMW, Porsche, and Mercedes-Benz, this 5-liter jug offers a dependable, high-tech solution for drivers who prioritize mechanical longevity and peak operational smoothness in their vehicles. Number 3. Castrol Edge High Mileage 5W20. Advanced full synthetic motor oil is specifically engineered to meet the unique needs of engines that have surpassed the 75,000-mile mark. This advanced formula features specialized phosphorus replacement technology, which works to protect and extend the operational life of your vehicle's emission system. Designed to combat the common signs of aging, it effectively reduces oil burn-off, minimizes leaks, and prevents the formation of power-robbing deposits. This synthetic lubricant is built for long-term durability, supporting extended service intervals of up to 15,000 miles or 1 year between changes. By maintaining superior engine cleanliness and structural integrity, it ensures that seasoned vehicles continue to perform with strength and efficiency. Meeting rigorous industry standards like API-SP and ILSAC GF6, this 5-quart bottle provides the reliable, high-performance protection necessary to keep your high-mileage engine running smoothly for years to come. Number 2. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W20 motor oil provides a sophisticated defense against the primary catalysts of engine failure: wear, friction, heat, and deposits. This American-made formula delivers 40% better wear protection than industry standards, ensuring critical components remain shielded under high-stress conditions. By utilizing superior cleaning detergents, it offers 25% better deposit protection, maintaining internal cleanliness and preventing the buildup of sludge. This synthetic solution is engineered to be 24 times stronger against engine-killing contaminants compared to leading competitors, providing a robust barrier for your vehicle's heart. It meets or exceeds the most rigorous modern requirements, including ILSAC, GF6A, and API-SP specifications. Trusted for over 150 years, this 5-quart bottle represents a legacy of innovation, offering truck and car owners the high-performance stability needed for long-term mechanical health and peak efficiency on every drive. Number 1. Mobil 1. Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil, AW30. utilizes a signature triple-action formula to deliver a sophisticated balance of performance, protection, and cleanliness. This advanced lubricant is engineered to safeguard critical engine components for up to 10,000 miles between service intervals by effectively controlling oxidation and preventing oil breakdown. It meets rigorous ELSAC GF6 standards, providing essential protection against low-speed pre-ignition and timing chain wear, while simultaneously enhancing fuel economy. The specialized formulation works diligently to remove existing sludge and maintain cooler operating temperatures, even under extreme conditions. With the ability to withstand internal engine heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and remain fluid at temperatures as low as 30 degrees Fahrenheit, this motor oil ensures reliable starts and continuous defense. It offers a comprehensive solution for drivers seeking to maintain peak engine efficiency and long-term mechanical health in modern vehicles.